Hi, this is a variation of the kneeling push-up for people that want to be beginners. So this is people that really want to improve their kneeling push-up and make sure that they're doing the proper technique. So be sure to watch the kneeling push-up video so you can progress from this. So with the kneeling push-up beginner, what we're looking at is where we're understanding how to control our body weight down. Now this is, as they say, the eccentric part of the lift, or the negative part of the lift, or the way down. So a bit more easier for people to understand. So what we're looking to do is make sure there's enough space in between for our bodies to go in between. Once we're in this position, we're going to be focusing on making sure that our chest is going to land in between our hands. A lot of times people will focus on trying to drop their head, and it often makes the form a little bit incorrect. What I'm trying to encourage you to do is focus on making sure that your chest drops in between your hands. From here, we're only focusing on the negatives, so we're not worried about coming up. So all we're looking to do now, once we know where our chest is going to be, we're going to be getting a nice plank position with our core and glutes squeezed. And all we're going to do is focus on bending the elbows, keeping the core on, and slowly going down, and then we're going to rest on the floor, put our feet down, and then we're going to push away using our body. From here, we can then lift the feet up, get back into that position again, going slowly down, feet down, push away. Now, eventually you'll start to build up a lot of tension, and you'll probably fatigue quite quickly. Now, based on the reps, I would say aim for maybe 5 to 10 reps, rest for a good while, and then go again. Because most likely this is for beginners, so their recovery might be a little bit slower. So don't panic, just understand the process, and then once you feel that you're ready to try to push away, to do after a few sessions, I must mention, not actually on the day, on a few sessions as you build up, you can then start to go into the full kneeling push-up, and that's on the other video. If you have any questions about this exercise or anything else, do feel free to drop me a DM at any time.